Now, all being well, you're reasonably all right now with your minor and major thirds and your perfect fourths and your perfect fifths. So now we're going to add octaves, which I always think are really easy to hear because the notes just sound the same. Let me give you a couple of examples. What you can do still is and count all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you will get to 8 for an octave. But I'm hoping that you will probably be able to hear that one quite easily, and it is also somewhere over the rainbow. So that's a useful one to remember. Nice song too. Right, we need to do seconds. Now seconds obviously are where notes are very close together. So if we start with this note and we sing up our scale, we go and that's a major second because it's a tone apart, 2 semitones, and that's the note we would play if we were in a major scale. And if you want to see if it feels right in your voice, good song to use, happy birthday, and you'll be there. Okay, so how do we then cope with a minor second? You can probably hear those are very, very close together, and my best way of remembering a minor second is basically thinking about Jaws. Good. There are some tunes, but I'm not quite sure that they're ones you're really going to know. I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas, all these sorts of things. I think you're better off with Jaws, so go with Jaws. Then we need to work out major and minor sixths. Now, if you think we've had the octave, which is far apart but sounds very similar, we've had seconds, we've had thirds, we've had fourths, we've had fifths, so sixths are getting quite far apart. So if we start with our bottom note this time and we play up the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6, that's the sound of a major sixth. It's the sixth note that you would play in a major scale. And the song I've given you to help you remember that one when you hear it, see if it works, is my bonny lies over the ocean, my bonny lies over the sea. So I hope perhaps you can get that one in your voice too. Last one to get in your voice for now is a minor sixth. Now, that's not going to be my bonny because in a minor scale we play a slightly lower note, a semitone lower, so it's going to be like this. It has a slightly different sound from the major sixth, but again we can go finding the notes in our voice and then and that note's not going as far as you expect it to because you may well be singing a major scale and then you get to that one, it won't be quite as high as you want it to be, but still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, feels like 5.5 I think. Anyway, the tune you can use to help you remember minor sixth is either when Israel was in Egypt's land, let my people go, and there's your minor sixth. Or if you think of them the other way round, from the top to the bottom, Love Story. Okay? So, right, now let me give you a couple of test ones on the next video.